This is April 30th, 2020, and these are my option trades for today. I currently do not have Procter & Gamble stocks, but I had a May 1st 112 put that's about to expire, so I bought it back for a nickel. And I sold the May 8th 20th 112 put for 50 cents. I currently have 200 shares of Johnson & Johnson. I sold, I bought back the call I had out on those 2 shares for 12 cents each. And then I sold a May 22 160 call for 36 cents each. Just rolling it out. I also sold a 275 put May 8th on Apple for $2.88, and I rolled my Microsoft put. I bought my outstanding put back for 18 cents, and I sold a new put for May 15th for a 170 put for $1.93. And those are my trades for today, and we'll see you soon.